Okay, dear students, so in previous class we know that the chapter probability. So in a probability is a conditional probability and independent events and multiplications of the uh, multiplication theorems of the probabilities ಓದಿದ್ವಿ. So next one is the partitions of the sample space. Partitions of the sample space. So that one is also one sample space. One sample space. So that one is a box. So totally, so in the events or the so is a sample spaces. So E is only A. So is a event on the sample space. S is a sample space. S is a sample space. So E is a event on the sample space. On the sample space. So that one is a event is divided together. So is a one part together. So that one is E1. E1 is a subset of the event. E1 is a subset of the event E. So is also E2 is also event on the so event E. Next one is E3 is also so is a event on the E. Same that is also E4. Next one is E5. So next one is E5 or E6. Next one is E7. E7, so on, E8, so on, that one is a En. So therefore, E2 is equal to E1 union of the E2 union of the E3 union of the E4, so on, En. So that one is E1, E2, E3, so on are the events on the event is. ಅವು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅವು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿರ್ತವೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು E1 union of E2 union of E3 so on is a En. So that one is are said to be partitions of the events E ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ so that one is equal to ಹಿಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ so that one is equal to E1 ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ so E1 is also in the E, also in the sample space, also in the sample space. So that one is E2 ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ E3 ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ E4 ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ E5 ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ so E6 ಹಿಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ E7 ಹಿಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ E8 ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ En is also ಹಿಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ so that one is equal to ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ is a sample space S ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಟೋಟಲಿ ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ S is equal to E1 union of the E2 union of the E3 so on union of the En ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ probability of the any event is always is greater than 0 ಇರಬೇಕು. greater than or greater than 0 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ I is equal to 1 ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ 2 ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ 3 ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ 4 ಇರಬಹುದು so on up to n. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. is a events ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ E1 E2 E3 so on En is a represents as a partitions of the sample space. Partitions of the sample space. So then it is a exclusive and exhaustive and the non-zero probabilities. Non-zero probabilities. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಎ ನಾನ್ ಝೀರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಆದರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ನಾನ್ ಝೀರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸೊ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತವೆ, ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್. State and prove the total probabilities. So exam is a statement. Let E1, E2, E3, so on, En are partitions of the sample space. Then P of A is equal to probability of the E1 into probability of the A bar E1 plus probability of the E2 into probability of the A bar E2 plus so on probability of the En into probability of the A bar En. So that one is the probabilities anta karita ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Is called a probabilities anta karita ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. So is prove. So that one is let E1, E2, so on En are partitions of the sample space S. Sample space S. S is equal to E1 union E2 union E3 union so on union En. So let S is equal to A is equal to A intersection S. A is equal to A intersection of E. S is equal to E1 union E2 union E3 so on union En. So equal to A intersection E1 union of A intersection E2 union of A intersection E3 union of A intersection E4 so on union of A intersection of En. So that one is A is equal to probability of the A equal to, so probability of the A in the intersection of the E1 plus probability of the A intersection of E2 plus probability of the A intersection E3 plus so on plus probability of the A intersection En. So that one is equal to probability of the A is equal to probability of the A intersection En is equal to probability of the E1 into probability of the so is A bar E1. So by the multiplication theorem of the probabilities plus so on plus probability of the En into probability of the A bar En. So that one is called a proof of the total probabilities. Next, Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem is a statement let E1, E2, so on En are the partitions of the sample space. Yes, A is the non-zero event. Probability of the EI bar A is equal to probability of the EI into probability of the A bar EI, all divided by is the probability of the EI into probability of the A bar EI plus probability of the E1. So E2 into probability of the A bar E2. So plus so on plus probability of the En into probability of the A bar En. So proof is we know that the total probabilities or conditional probabilities is a conditional probability. We know. So probability of the EI bar A is equal to probability of the A intersection EI divided by probability of the A's. So therefore is the probability of the EI bar A is equal. So probability of the A intersection I is equal to probability of the A into probability of the EI into probability of the A intersection EI. So that one is equal to A bar EI. All divided by, so that one is equal to probability of the E1 into probability of the A bar EI E1. So plus probability of the E2 into probability of the A bar E2 plus so on plus probability of the N2 probability of the A bar En. So that one is called a Bayes theorem of the total probabilities. So that one is the Bayes theorem. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನು ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಏನು ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರದೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Bayes theorem. Okay, one example for the Bayes theorem. A bag contains is a very important example. Only examples ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. A bag contains 3 red and 4 black balls. 4 black balls. Bag second contains 5 red and 6 black balls. And ball drawn in randomly from one box and it is found to be red. Find the probabilities that it was drawn from the bag second. Find the probabilities. So is a Bayes theorem is applied to that. A bag contains 3 red and 4 black balls. Total is the 7 black balls. 3 red and 4 black balls. In the bag 1 contains. Bag second is also contains 5 red and 6 black balls. Total 11 balls in a second bag. And ball is drawn randomly from one of the bags, and it is found to be a red. So find the probabilities. So what is the probabilities? It was drawn from the bag second ಇಂದ ರೆಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ, ರೆಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ a bag is contains so 3 reds and 4 black balls. Is 4 black balls and 3 red balls. Total is 7 balls in a bag 1. Bag 2 is bag second is contains so 5 red and 6 black balls. 5 red and 6 black balls. Total is so bag second is contains 11 balls. Is 6 black balls and 5 red balls. Know it. So and ball drawn in randomly. Ball is drawn randomly from one of the bags. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, one of the bags, and it is found to be red. and it is found to be red. So find the probability that it was drawn from the back second. ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದು ರೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಸ್ solution. Let E1 is the event of back 1. E2 is the event of back second. A is the event. A is the event drawing a red ball. Probability of the E1 equal to probability of the E2 is equal to 1/2, because is the red ball is so drawn, is they found or not found together in back 1 and back 1ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 2ನೇದಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ 1ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 50% ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಹೌದ್ರಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ A bar E1 is equal to probability of the drawn a red ball from the back second. From the back first. Okay, back first. First ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ is 3/4. ಇಷ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು 3/4. ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ರೆಡ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಈಸ್ 3/4 ಅಂದರೆ 3/7 ಇರಬೇಕು. 3/7. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 7 ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ A bar E2 is equal to probability of the drawing a red ball from the back second equal to, so is 5 divided by 11. By the base theorem, probability of E2 bar A ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? E2 bar A is equal to probability of E1 into probability of the, so is A bar E2. So E2 alva. So is probability of the E1 into probability of the A bar E1 plus probability of the E2, probability of the E2 into probability of the A bar E2. So equal to probability of the E2 is equal to A bar E2 is equal to 1/2 into probability of the A bar E2 is equal to 5 divided by 11 whole divided by, so 1/2 into probability of the A bar E1 is equal to 3/7 plus probability of the E2 is equal to, so 1/2 into probability of the A bar E2 is equal to 5 divided by 11. So total is all together is 35 divided by 60. 35 divided by 68. So that one is the, so total probability ಮತ್ತೆ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So that one is equal to is total probabilities is back 1 and back 2. So 4 ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಒನ್ನಿಗೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. So here example है 4 red balls and 4 black balls. So back second is contains is 2 red balls and 6 black balls. So he is drawn from the back one. So he is back one. Same example ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ.